Hi everyone, welcome to another Miroverse template video. In this video, we'll take a look at a Miroverse template that I made called Hand Drawn Lean Canvas. This one is available on Miroverse, and I will add a link to this template in the description of this video. And if you quickly just browse through what this page looks like, you have this template and an example and some instructions. And then you have the description of this template, which also has the instructions, which is a simple 1 to 9 step model. Now, this framework was actually developed by Ash Maurya, and it actually helps you deconstruct your your business problem, your business case. And so if we have a look at what the template looks like, you have these 1 to 9 steps. But before that, what this looks like is just a nice simple box where you can just add some post-it notes and fill up the canvas. You go on from problem, solution, unique value proposition, key metrics, unfair advantage, channels, customer segments, cost structure, and revenue streams. And then towards the right of this is a pre-filled example of what a filled up lean canvas would look like. Now, to the instructions itself, it is basically you have you're trying to make a business case, and basically you're going through these 9 steps. So first is the problem, in which you would probably list out 1 to 3 problems that you would want to solve. And number 2 is, who are your target customers or your users. Number 3 would be, what is something unique that you're bringing using your business? What is something unique that you're bringing to the market? Number 4 is the solution. So you've listed the problems. Now, what is the solution that hopefully would also include the unique value proposition? Number 5 is unfair advantage, something that cannot be easily brought by others or copied. Now, things like intellectual property is actually a very good example of having an unfair advantage. And then you have revenue streams, basically how you think your business is going to earn the money. And then you have cost structure, which is number 7. This could be the fixed and variable costs that you already know of. And this is good to know what is the expense, because obviously you also have the revenue streams, which is the income. And then you have key metrics at number 8. So you can run a business, you can keep it going, but what are the key metrics that tells you that your business is actually doing well? What is something that you want to achieve with your business? And then number 9, you have channels. So what are the channels you can advertise your business, or you can get to your customers using these channels. So these are the 9 sort of points that you can include in your lean canvas. And as the name suggests, it is meant to be like in one single paper. You're not meant to actually have multiple pages of this whole business plan. It is just everything on a single piece of paper. In this case, if you're using Miro, everything in a single frame. You have these 9 points, and this is basically your business plan, a one-pager business plan. So have a look at this template and let me know what you think. Give it a like over there. You can also share this template with other people. And then, of course, you can click on the blue use button, use template button, to copy this template to your Miro board. And you can also click on the arrow and copy this template to an existing Miro board. That was it for this video. This was hand-drawn lean canvas Miroverse template. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below, and do like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And then, of course, see you in another video. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.